friends, it's Candace from Candace Lee Yoga. Have you ever been in one of those situations where you know you've got to do something different, but for some reason you can't quite get yourself to do it, or you start and you stop, and you start and you stop, and then of course that is all that other vicious cycle stuff happens. Anyway, let's take a step back. A lot of times what we need is to feel a little safer in our bodies. Begin by taking a couple breaths. Just as big as you can, and let it back out. Another big breath. Feel your lungs expanding, and then let it out. And then move right down into your feet and tap your feet. Tap, tap, tap. Feel your heels, feel your toes, feel your heels, feel your toes, feel your whole feet. Try your best to even out the pressure on each sole of each foot. Keep tapping. We're going to take a big breath in. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Stop tapping and breathe out all at the same time. Kind of crazy. Slow down your breath. Breathe in and out. And then bring your hands towards your heart. Feel the beat of your heart. Feel the rhythm. Release your breath. And then release your hands. Connecting the palms face down onto your lap. So we start to incorporate shoulder rolls. You pick and choose if that means one shoulder at a time or both. Larger circles or smaller circles. After your next circle, relax your shoulders. Take a big breath in and lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, soften them down and away from your ears. One more, just like that. Inhale. And exhale. Nice. And this time, hug your knee into your chest. And let's give some attention to this foot that you have elevated. Either one, it doesn't matter. Rotate in circles and back the other way. Set that side down. Lift up the opposite side. And again, attention to our ankle and our foot. Wiggle your toes. Create some circles. Let it feel good, whatever your choice is. Moving only as far as comfortable. And release down. Come back to the first side that you were on. We're going to slowly start to investigate our range of motion in our hip with this little gentle rocking motion. Scooting myself a little bit further, giving myself some space from the back of the chair. Gentle rocking, soften the shoulders. And then eventually bring your ankle up towards your knee. And another way to do this is to straighten the opposite leg. Bring your ankle down low on that straightened leg and then rebend. So again, doesn't matter which side you start with. Simply bring in a depth of breath that feels good for you. Relaxing through the shoulders, through the neck. And in another moment, we're going to switch sides. Opposite ankle comes up onto the opposite knee. Notice I've got a hold of my toes. If that feels good, to give yourself a little DIY foot rub, have at it. Also notice I'm choosing to incorporate this time a very gentle rocking. Sometimes that is a calming sensation to the nervous system. Notice how it works for you. If it feels like it's bringing more energy into your body, then maybe slow it down or pause and simply hold this little stretch in a still space. Lots of places to explore. And in about 3, 2, 1, release that foot down to the floor, sweeping the arms up nice and tall. Reaching a little bit higher on one side, and then soften that side and reach up a little bit higher on the other. And switch, and switch. Maybe your stretch goes a little bit deeper as you keep navigating each side. And eventually, we can add this bonus of bringing the hand down to a space to support us, reaching over a little bit further than we were before. Up through center, switch. A little bit further. Up and open your arms, nice and wide. Big breath in. Exhale, give yourself a hug. Hug, hug, hug. Inhale, open wide. Give yourself a hug. This time, open wide. We're going to come into a twist. So turning your body. A little bit of leverage with front hand, maybe near your knee. Back hand, maybe near your the back of your chair support. And then through center, switch sides. One more time, coming to the center. Inhale, lift up. Hands come together. Bow through the heart. Forward fold. And then relaxing back in your chair. Sitting comfortably and supported. Soften the eyes or close them, whichever is more comfortable. Notice your energy here. And without thinking too hard, notice if any kind of solution came up, maybe some ideas to wherever you were contemplating being stuck. Breathing, inhale, exhale, feet connected to the floor. Start to blink your eyes open. And hands to your heart once more. Wishing you all the peace and love and gratitude your soul can hold. Namaste. If this was helpful, please share in the comments below. Maybe you'll share a little bit of your story. Maybe you'll share what part was helpful. Until we see each other next time.